Greetings to one and all. You're listening to MMJC Updates. In this edition of MMJC Updates, we will be discussing about an ongoing case before NCLT in the matter of Gensol Engineering Limited. This is a listed company against whom there are multiple allegations of fraud, misfeasance, and siphoning of funds, etc. So, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs had filed a complaint against this company before NCLT under Section 241 and 242, that is Operation and Mismanagement. So, the NCLT prima facie has accepted the petition and has ordered the freezing of assets of the company. As per this order, it has ordered freezing of assets like bank accounts and lockers, etc., of the company and other assets as well. So, also the company process has been admitted for corporate insolvency process, that is CIRP process. The investigation against the fraud done by this company is being undertaken by SF5, that is Serious Fraud Investigation Office, under the guidance of Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and also it is being investigated by Securities and Exchange Board of India. SEBI had earlier passed an order come show cause notice against the company, wherein it had debarred the promoters of this company from accessing the capital market and had also undertaken further investigations. This SEBI order was appealed by the company before the appellate tribunal, which was upheld by the appellate tribunal. So, therefore, the investigation is still ongoing. Also, the company had appealed the NCLT order before the appellate tribunal, and that was also upheld. So, as and when things move ahead, we shall be updating on this matter. The next update pertains to adjudication of non-compliances or done by limited liability partnership by registrar of companies. So, in the year 2022, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs had designated the registrar of companies as adjudicating officer for the adjudication of non-compliances done by limited liability partnerships. The registrar of companies have started undertaking this adjudication process for the limited liability partnerships since the beginning of this year 2025. Till date, ROCs of different areas have issued total 10 adjudication orders against LLPs, which mainly comprise of non-compliance of Section 13, Section 34, and Section 35. Section 13 talks about maintenance of registered office of the limited liability partnership. Section 34 talks about filing of annual returns by the LLP, and Section 35 talks about filing of financial statements by the LLPs. So, just like companies, now the LLPs are also required to be vigilant about their small compliances so that they do not end up paying penalties to the registrars. That is all in this edition of MMJC Updates. Thank you for listening, and please feel free to write to us about your feedback.